What's going on, everybody? Y'all know we here at the Oklahoma Auto Exchange dealer only auction. Gonna do this walk around for you guys. So I was told in one of my other walk around videos I need to slow it up a little bit, so I'll slow it up for you guys. Who knows, I might actually go live next week when I do this walk around, so you know we can talk and then chat with you guys. But yeah, we're here at Oklahoma Auto Exchange, dealer only auction. It's like 3 o'clock right now. It's not as late as you can. I know they're still gonna be getting cars in. They're probably gonna be getting cars in till about 10 o'clock at night. So I'm always here a little early because I have things to do. I have kids to get to, so I don't want, like me, I'm one of those people. I try to get everything done because once I'm home, I'm home. I'm not getting out for nothing, you know. Once I get home, I'm home. Like, you know, that's just me. I don't know if other people are like that, but that's just me. Like, that's why I make all my videos early in the morning, try to knock them out, get to them. Me, once I'm home, I am home in bed and chilling with the kids. And what's going on? Yeah, what happened to your finger? You gotta be careful out here.
Instead of cutting me down, I cut my finger.
Oh man, not too many cars out here at the moment. Hopefully they have more than this tomorrow. I know last week's sale was pretty light. And they still got cars in here. I don't know if these are arbitration. You see, these are all like fleet vehicles. Like a fleet company, so you know, like fleet cars, prior rentals and stuff like that. I know rental cars, where they come lease plan USA, so fleet company. They still got some of these cars in here from last week that people ain't picked up. You know, when they sell it, they write this big old S on the window, let you know it's sold, and these are sold. So they still got a lot of cars out here with S's on it, and the sale is tomorrow. Oh, look at all these fleet vehicles. They got a ton of fleet vehicles. You can make good money off of fleet vehicles. You know, they're fairly well maintained. I mean, they're just only gonna be all one color. They're gonna be mainly base models and white, but they're all gonna have fairly good miles. You know, they're gonna be well maintained, so you know, doesn't take much to make the car look a little bit better. Like that Malibu, throw a little tint on the windows, now you got a nice looking car. That one, you know, just throw some tint on them, they turn into pretty nice little cars. You know, white is a good color. Yeah, little sale, a little light this week. Nice trucks, not a big. They parked that one a little closer, didn't they? Whoever did it, okay, they got a little gap in between us. Parked pretty close though. Yellow F-150. Looked like it had some type of service master restore, so it was somebody's company truck, you know, got rid of it. Look at that. Somebody bought this one last week. They good, throw a good, they runs. Just needs a power pack on it, so they try to do a good job. I'm trying to tell you, but this one's been sold. Nobody ain't picked it up yet. You know, all you had to do is bring a battery or alternator. I mean, you're not an alternator, more than likely you just needed a battery that's be long enough to get you to the top. They got the power wash out here. They got those cars right over there still coming, get lined up. Some of those cars. Man, this sale looking pretty light. Got this AMG Mercedes, so looked like it was a repo because they just sold it 8,520. So it was a repo, or you know, they couldn't get the deal finalized or something. AMG Mercedes. Let's walk down this way and see what we got. More trucks. Malibu, nothing really. Just a little standard auction car that you're gonna see basically at every auction, you know. Chrysler Mercuries, you're gonna see them common. Vans, Corollas, you're gonna see a lot of Corollas, pretty common cars. Go expensive. Pretty sure this one with the bumper hanging off still gonna go for a lot of money. Got that, Dodge trucks, common cars. Silverados, very common. Don't really see too many Armadas at all, but you always see Silverados. You can always gonna see trucks. Always gonna see Impalas. That's one car that you always gonna see is in. You can always see Impalas. Always, no matter what auction you go to, it's gonna be tons of those out there. Got trucks. Yeah, another Lincoln, Nissan Rogue, Mitsubishi Outlander. Got the shiny Auto Mall cars coming through. Look at that, still got other. Look, that one sold, nobody ain't picked it up, man. What's wrong with these people? This sale happened last Wednesday. It's about to be Wednesday again. Today is Tuesday, but y'all be seeing this Wednesday. And people, it's been a week and people still ain't picked up their cars, man. But see, but you gotta pick up your cars because, you know, if you don't pick them up, they tack on a little, I think it's like $10 a day, like after it's been here for like a week. So, you know, you gotta be more careful. Look at that, they throwing the football out there. Need to get into part of that. Probably not. Okay. Got a little Camaro. Cha-Cha Autoplex. Little Camaro. Motor has in here. Hope the hood's not popped. See if it's. See what kind of. See if it's worth starting up. Oh, got the T-tops though, always a plus. 3800 series, yeah. Maybe if it had like a supercharger on, it'd be worth starting up. Yeah, not worth starting up. No, it's close good enough. There we go, we got these Jaguars, man. I always wanted one, but I always heard like really bad things about Jaguars. Never owned one. I always just heard bad things. People always say if you're gonna have a Jaguar, you gotta own 2 of them. It is supercharged. Pop the hood. Let's see. I don't know. This one don't sound like it was well taken care of. Cut that off. You ain't about to blame me for no responsibility. It's from Lobel Financial, so when it's from Lobel, cut off. So Lobel is a subprime finance. Lobel, they're a subprime finance lender. So they specialize in helping people with bad credit get loans. So they're like a bad credit lender. So that person didn't have the best credit, probably couldn't pay for it, got it repossessed, and you know, didn't take it, or they probably just didn't take good care of it and then just gave it away. You know, sometimes people don't really care for what their credit is. Nice BMW, big fan of BMW. Dale Auto Finance, never heard of them. What is this, 750? Pretty clean, pretty nice, pretty nice. I need to have somebody with me next time so I can start up these cars and do more in depth and talk about them. So next week, try to have somebody with me for you guys. But yeah, we're just gonna walk around the auction, man, let you guys see. You know, just let you guys see everything that goes. Basically what the dealer auction looks like before all the cars probably tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll be recording the auction video tomorrow. I don't know, it just depends. It really doesn't, I don't really see anything out here eye-catching. I see a lot of fleet vehicles, you know, a couple vehicles here and there that catching my attention, but probably won't record anything. I don't see anything like special that I'd be like, oh man, what's the price on something like that goes for. I mean, most of this stuff I already know kind of what, you know, when you've been doing it long enough, you can kind of eyeball it like, hey man, that car is gonna go for like that much, that car is gonna go for that much. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and let me know on these walk-arounds, what should I do? Should I start the cars up more? Should I drive them around? Should I show off more cars that's coming through the auction? Should I bring somebody with me that record while I'm talking about the cars and we give two people's input? Let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. I'm out on my way home. Peace. Thank you.